Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a hot dog. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our hot dog bun, and I'm going to start near the bottom of my paper, and we are going to draw a long U shape. And then at the top, we're going to connect it by going up, slightly down, and then back up again. And next we're going to draw our hot dog. So I'm going to start here on the left side, kind of in the middle of this line. And we're going to draw a line that goes out, going to curve up, and then back around. And then now to draw the other side of the bun, we want to start right about here. Our line's going to curve up, go all the way down, and curve around. And now I'm going to put some mustard on the hot dog, or you could put ketchup. I'm going to start right here on the left side and draw a squiggly line that goes all the way down and then back up. And now you can leave your hot dog like this, or if you want to draw a face, I'm going to do that next. So I'm going to draw a big circle for an eye. And then I'm going to make my hot dog like wink. So I'm going to do a line that goes down and out, almost like a sideways V. And then a U shape for a smile. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.